Our first diagram is of thymus. Now thymus is surrounded by connective tissue capsule, and for that you will draw retracted fibers like this, and this connective tissue capsule sends in trabeculae and divide thymus into compartments. So we will divide this area into various compartments. Again, in the capsule you will draw blood vessels here also, here also, here also. So I have just drawn 1, 2, 3, 4 compartments here. Now from this connective tissue again septa arise, and they divide these compartments into lobules. So this is an incomplete septum here, 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 and here. Similarly, we can divide this compartment, this compartment, this compartment also into lobules. So this is one lobule, this is another, another, and another lobule. Now each lobule has a cortex, and this cortex is separated from another cortex of the adjacent lobule by these trabeculae, and the central portion of all the lobules is common and is known as medulla. So in the cortex there are lymphocytes, and for drawing lymphocytes you will just press the tip of your pencil and form this circle. So just keep it pressing and draw them in the form of circles to show that these are the nuclei of lymphocytes, or in other words we just say that these are the lymphocytes. So draw them properly. So in the cortex of a lobule there are densely packed lymphocytes, and you will just fill it up beautifully here like this. Keep on pressing the tip of your pencil and you will be able to draw these lymphocytes. So draw them neatly and fill up this one lobule cortex. Then this is another lobule. You will again fill it up with another lymphocytes, with other lymphocytes, and again this portion is continuous, or this cortex of other lobule is continuous with the cortex of the lobule which is adjacent to this, because these trabeculae are incomplete and I am in a hurry, but you will draw them very beautifully just as the diagram is on the blackboard. You will make densely packed lobules here, and similarly a densely packed lobule. Just press the tip of the pencil and keep on drawing the lymphocytes. These lymphocytes are known as thymocytes, and this portion the cortices, in other words the cortices of all the lobules, they are darkly stained because of these lymphocytes. So you can see that cortices are also continuous with each other just beneath the trabeculae. They are not completely separated from each other, they are partially separated. Now this portion, which is a central part, this is also common and it is actually the medulla. So this portion is the medulla, which contains lymphocytes which are few. 95% of the thymocytes are in the cortex, so only 5% they become immunocompetent and they come into the medullary part. So medulla is common here. We will just draw this connective tissue here. Then there are these immunocompetent lymphocytes here, and besides these the part or the structure which is in the medulla, that is concentrically arranged structure which is known as Hessel's corpuscles. So you will draw it It is in the center, it is keratinized or calcified, and then you will draw it in the form of these concentrically arranged structure, which is formed by thymic epithelial cells type 6. So they have flattened nuclei and they have eosinophilic cytoplasm. So in the center they are usually thick. So this is a Hessel corpuscle. So these Hessel corpuscles are diagnostic of this slide. So similarly, again in this part you will fill up this lobule, the cortex of the lobule with the lymphocytes, and in the center you will draw medulla here. Medulla. Common medulla is common, and cortices, they are separated from each other by means of these trabeculae. So you will similarly here also you can draw only cortex in this region, and medulla will be the central part. So in the center you will draw medulla. Here also with the part of the medulla, this is the cortex. Similarly on this side also you will draw trabeculae to divide it into lobules. So roughly each lobule of the thymus is polyhedral in shape, having a cortex and common medulla. Cortex is here and the medulla is common to all these cortices.